It's now easier than ever to generate a video for yourself or for your brand. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Flixier's VideoGPT, a very easy-to-use tool that can help you generate videos in just a few seconds. You can access it by using the link in the description or from the AI Tools section in Flixier if you already have an account. Once you enter VideoGPT, you'll be met by an interface that should look familiar, so let's walk through exactly what everything here does. On the left side, you'll find your existing projects. If you're just starting out, this section will be empty, but this is where your previously created projects will appear. In a center is where you'll need to describe your video idea in the form of a prompt. You also have a few options here. You can import an image if you want to use your own visuals to generate a video, and you can select the video length. Short is 20 seconds, medium is 30, and long videos are about a minute. You also have the link option. This is where you can paste a URL from your website, a product page, or even a blog article and then turn it into a video. Let's go through the first part. For example, we'll ask it to create a video about the history of the Roman Empire. We'll select the length, let's say a medium video, and hit start. Our script is generated in just a few seconds. We can make the script longer or shorter, and if we don't like it, we can always rewrite it. I'll ask it to make it a bit longer, and once that's done, I'll move on to picking a voice. You can select a voice from the AI Voices section here at the bottom. There's a lot of them to choose from, and you can even clone your own voice if you'd like. And don't worry, you can always change the voice after the video is generated, so for now I'll go with James. At the top there are 3 options. You can generate the video using stock clips, AI-generated images, or AI-generated videos. This time I'll go for video generation. All I have to do is click Generate Video, and in just a few seconds the video is ready. After the video is generated, you'll see a few options that you can tweak. You can show or hide the subtitles, and you can also enable or disable these emojis. I'm going to turn off the emojis, then choose a text style from the templates below. Next up is the Media tab. This is where you can easily replace any part of your generated video. Just select the clip you're not happy with and then click Replace. A window will pop up and you'll be able to select a new stock video yourself or enter a prompt to generate a new image or video. You can also upload your own clips if you'd rather use your own footage. Lastly, we have the Voiceover tab. This is where you can pick a new AI voice for your video. You can also clone your own voice from this menu if you want to give your videos a personal touch. Now if you're happy with the result, click on Export and the video will be rendered and saved to your computer. If you want to make more in-depth edits, you can click Edit More to open your video in the Flixier editor. However, let's go back to our VideoGPT for a second because we still have some cool options to explore. We've looked at how you can create a video from scratch, now let's create a video starting from a link. You can copy any URL from a blog article or news story and paste it here. For example, I'll grab this news piece about Flixier and then paste it. In just a few seconds, you'll get a summary of the article. Since I selected short earlier, the result is a short video, but I can always make it longer. Just like before, you can choose what kind of assets you want: stock videos, AI images, or AI videos. When you use the link option, you'll also see the option to import image from URL. This means that if the article contains enough images, you can generate a video based on those images. This time, I'll choose AI images and click Generate Video. Just like before, you can edit the video, remove or add subtitles, and of course, keep editing your video with Flixier. It's easier than ever to generate videos thanks to Flixier's VideoGPT. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to check out our YouTube channel where we have many more exciting tutorials. Until next time, happy editing!